last day of school today, guys. And half day lang yan sila. Ganyan talaga kapag last day of school. Half day. Yan talaga yung trick niya. Okay, you say hi to the guys. You guys can walk. Wala na, nagdalahan na ng mga chair nila. Where are you going, ate? The guys are here. You can... Ay, nako. Ang aga-aga. Ang aga-aga. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the guys. Because you guys are fighting. Move here, move. And then move Ayla, and then move... Here. See?
Wait.
There you go. Enough space?
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
Look, you can see the guys.
Get up, Marcher. Get up, Marcher. Get up, Marcher.
See?
Thank you. There's no space in my sword.
Thank you, Ayla. Ayaw mo naman. Ayaw mo naman mag-share ng guys. Ayaw mo mag-share ng guys.
Diga.
Ayaw, mama. I'm done with the guys. I want my mommy. Say mama. Say mama.
Oh, mama.
Say mama. Love you.
Cappuccino.
Breakfast. I'll move you to the table.
I'm gonna be your star.
I'll move you, baby.
I want to stay here with the guy.
You want to stay here with the guys?
That's yummy. Bye-bye.
Ang cute ng bow ni Ayla. Ginamit ko yung maliit. Okay, bye baby. Come on.
What do you want to watch?
I'll see you in a few hours.
Watch Sleepy Bob the Voice.
Nah, you're gonna get ready soon, Alo.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Baba.
It's yellow.
Bye. Oh, she got water, yep. Wait. Bye. Bye. Of course. You don't have one?
I'll get it.
Over the hills and far away, Mother Duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. Oh no. 3 little ducks went out one day. Mother Duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. Went out one day. You smell good, beautiful. I smell daddy's perfume on you. Good morning. Good morning na ako, di ba? Didn't I say good morning already? Yes. Hello. Suot-suot ko yung from La Olivia. First time ko siyang suotin kasi maganda weather today. Sunny. So right now it's 16 degrees but mostly sunny outside. I'm not sure if you can see that but meron akong maliit na weather dyan. Ay, all good. Tapos na lang si Mami. Nag-ano lang ako, nakaplansya ako ng buhok konti. Siya tawag ng tawag. What do you wanna play with? I-try natin guys yung mga lip tint na nakuha ko from YesStyle. This one I know is good. Na-try ko na siya nung na-unbox ko siya. And it's nice. Ang ganda pa ng packaging. Tapos gusto ko din siya kasi maliit. Ito yung Romand na The Juicy Lasting Tint Mini. Yung shade niya is Coco Palm. And then, dito sa set na to, parang meron akong, this one is Autumn Tone. Ah, so meron siyang shade sa ano niya mismo. Ayan, Autumn Tone to, itong dalawa. Pero meron din siyang shade individually. Tapos itong set naman na to is Naughty. But then yeah, it has individual name shades as well. Wait. Yeah, Autumn Tone. Which one did I like? Parang yung darkest ata. Yeah, I think this one. Gusto ko din siya kasi ang cute-cute niya din. Wait, sabi. Yeah, I think that one I like. Ito ibigay ko siguro kay Inday. Kasi medyo light sa akin. Try natin to ha. This is the shade Caffeine Rose. So, ang cute niya lang din. Pero mas cute yung Romance. Okay, this one you like. Isuga sa ni mo, Bioy. Try natin. Yeah, maganda siya, oh. This is from the brand Laka. That brand. I got this from YesStyle. Laka & Co. So, ang agenda today is punta tayong, hindi ko alam actually guys kung saan kami pupunta. Saan tayo pupunta, B? Maglilinis kasi si Kuya. So, alis tayo. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung saan kami po. Thank you. You wanna put it here? Thank you. All done. Kasi nga, hindi ko mapi-playground si Arlo. Mapi-playground ko naman siya, guys. Kaya lang, mahihirapan ako. Dalawa silang kailangan kong parang kargahin. Alam mo yun? So, I don't know. I think I will just go to Target. Tapos, lakad-lakad dun. And maghintay hanggang pick up time na ni ate. So, ate finishes at 12:30 today. Half day lang today kasi nga last day of school. So, yung school nila dito, meron silang 4 terms. After every term, meron silang 2 weeks holiday. Ang dami pala talaga nilang holiday. And then, term 4 starts October na. And then, yan yung big holiday nila. Yung parang halos isang buwan na holiday. Kasi around Christmas and New Year's time na yun. After the term 4. So, term 1 starts January! Kuya's gonna be in preschool! You're gonna be with me. You and me. You and me. Hug mama lang. Walang you and me. You and me. That's what you like. Is that what you like? What do you wanna do? You wanna go already? No? Gusto ko magstay muna dito for as long as we can. So, maglilinis yan si Kuya sa taas. Unahin niyo yung taas eh. Wait. Ay, kaya lang meron tayong ending ba eh. Let's go downstairs. Come on. Tinatapos ko lang yung mga kailangan kong gawin dito sa taas para hindi na tayo babalik dito. Come on, let's go downstairs. Yeah. Okay, wait, baby. Stop today. Oh, thank you. Did you help Mama closet? You wanna put your Crocs on?
Yes.
See if it fits in your. Will it fit?
I think so. Let me over here. I push it down. Push it.
Sige, try. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Let me see. Is it working? Try.
No, you have.
Now it won't fit.
No, harder.
No, it's too big. Use Ate Ilas. Let's try Ate Ilas.
Yes. It's big on this side.
A big one on one side. No, that's fine. This one's fine here. Just this one. No, that's okay. Just no shoes on that one, okay? Yeah. Right, come on. Do you need to actually pee? Pee fast. Come on, hurry up. So we can go pee. It's okay, baby. We're going. Just wait, okay? We're going now. Just wait, Indy. Mommy's packing up. Coming, baby. I know. We're going. You finish, Alo? Alright, hurry up.
What has I been talking?
No, it's fine. We will take it off soon anyway. It's fine. See? It's fine, right? Yeah. Alright. You got it? Good job. Did you walk in? Well done. Did it help?
Yes.
It's fine. It's okay.
Bad peace officer.
Ryan, what?
Ryan, but like a peace officer.
Oh, really?
Yes, and he make the jail.
Oh,
A jail.
the jailhouse.
Yes.
Okay, it's 9.
And stay outside. And it's
9:50 ng umaga. Ayoko pa sanang umalis.
Ryan have a weapon and it's in his back.
Oh, really?
Yes, the police officer weapon is in his back.
Okay.
And he starts holding it.
Okay.
That's when some bad guys.
Yep.
They hit the bag.
Mm-hmm. What's that?
I don't in
In this
this
door.
What are we doing?
I'll close in this door. It was not properly closed.
Mommy, what's that green thing on the tree?
Leaves.
That thing is moving.
Yeah. It's a bit windy. So drive lang tayo, guys.
Is it moving?
Little bit, yeah.
Like a baby move.
Yeah. Tapos mamaya na tayo lumabas. Patulugin lang natin, i-drive lang natin to si Indy. Pero wala na. Hanggang hapon na tong ano natin, alis natin. Kasi pipick up ko nga si Ayla. 12:30 yung out niya. Tapos yan, nakapag-promise ako sa bata na magmamakas kami after. So magmakas tayo after, tapos punta din tayo sa milk tea at saka uniform shop. Kasi iba na naman yung uniform ni Ayla sa next term. Kasi summer na eh. I mean, painit na ba? So hindi na long sleeve yung kanilang uniform. So we need to buy a new set of uniform for Inday. Uy, Arlo, I want her to sleep.
I want to go in there.
She's not gonna sleep if you tickle her. So iniisip ko, drive hanggang makatulog si Indy and punta ng Target. Palipas oras sa Target. And then, yeah. So let's say alas 10 na ngayon. My gosh, 2 oras pa, guys. Kasi let's say dapat 12 na tayo. Kailangan umalis papunta sa school ni ate. Yeah, 2 hours to burn. Dala ko yung laptop ko just in case, like tulog na si Indy, tapos magka-chance tayong mag-edit. Let's see. Na, tulog ba yan? Matutulog ba yung daddy man yan ng daddy dyan? Can you put her dummy in alo and we'll see. Dala ko yung bag niya, may feed ako dito. Ay, good luck.
Indy put his dummy all by himself.
That's good. Alright, now quiet so she falls asleep. Don't play with her, Kuis. Let her sleep, please.
I want to go here.
Not yet, mate. Sana nilagay kita sa kabila, da.
Yeah, that's the
Pero kapag wala kasi si Ayla, nilalagay ko siya sa gitna para malagay niya yung dami ni Indy. Para may yun. Ba, yeah.
Mommy.
Bait naman ni Kuya. Nag-wave lang.
When, Mommy,
Ah,
dinosaurs are here and limited.
dinosaurs are what?
Dinosaurs are here. Dinosaurs are here.
Are they?
Yes.
Okay,
We
really?
came here yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah. And
Whoa!
we see the dinosaur's tail.
Really?
And they can't see it.
That's amazing.
And they can't see the dinosaur's tail.
You can't see? That's alright.
And you need to tell me.
Okay.
And I'm the dinosaur toy. And you not buy it to me.
Well, Mac, you have all the dinosaurs now. You have all the dinosaur toys. You don't
No.
need any more.
No.
You got a lot.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you do. You got a lot of toys.
No, I'm not. I want another dinosaur.
Wait for your birthday and you ask it from people. Maybe if Nana asks you what you want for your birthday, you say dinosaur. I thought you were gonna have Ninja Turtle party.
I like Ninja Turtle.
Yeah.
I like dinosaur.
Dinosaur party, you're done with that. We had dinosaur party one time.
No, it's my party.
Okay, I know it's your party. Yeah. Hi, nako, India.
And I
Tulog,
want
babe.
ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah.
There's ice cream here.
Mhm.
The ice cream is over there.
Is that?
And I got my ice cream. And I eat it and it tastes super yucky.
Ang daming nag-walking kasi maganda weather.
And it's too big. And I want to make it tiny.
Yeah. Dito na kami sa Target, guys. Siguro mga 15-20 minutes na kami dito. Pag stop talaga namin sa parking lot, nagising to. Tapos hanggang ngayon, ayaw pa din natulog. And meron tayong batang naglalakad kasi ayaw na niya sa bassinet. And may batang ayaw matulog. So, hindi ako nagsastop. Lakad lang ako naglakad. Kasi kapag nag-stop, umiiyak siya. Ha? You have that backpack. That is your school backpack. Yeah. Good spotting. Ewan ko saan ako dinadala nito ni Arlo. Follow lang ako sa kanya. Alright, here. Tulog, di. Agoy. Sus, ibabalik talaga kita sa car at magdadrive tayo. Wala na talaga. Ang daming Stitch dito, oh. Meron kaming aatinan na party. Stitch yung theme. So, baka bilhin na natin to. Look, for Ate's classmate. Meron ding maraming pagpipilian. Mystery capsule yan. May mask. Parang maganda yung mask, no? Lalaki. Or ito. Ala, which one's your favorite Stitch? We'll give it to Ate's classmate. No, not for you. For Ate's boy classmate.
I like
What do you think? The mask is nice? That one's nice, isn't it? Surfer Stitch.
Yeah.
Should we get this?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. We'll get it.
And this one.
No, just one. We'll give that to him.
Maya brought.
Hmm?
Look at Maya brought.
Not for you.
No.
No, it's not your birthday yet. We'll take a photo and then we'll remember it for your birthday. Good idea?
There.
No. Pangalawang item na niya yung
I
kinuha.
like this toy.
You like that toy?
Yes.
Sige.
Have you bought it?
I'm not sure if they're selling that one. Keep looking, keep looking. Meron akong kinuha. Ganyan, $5 lang. Tapos naka-sale pa. $4 na lang nung skinan ko. Na binalik. Okay, okay.
This one, Mama.
Okay, see, I told you. This one, look. What color? Orange? Black? Uh-oh.
I like this one.
Do you want a golden one? I can see a golden one. Look. Hello. Look.
Where?
Wow, right? I told you. Alright, here, I'll help you. I'll help you. Hold this
I
first.
want this one.
No, you can't get a set. You can only get one. They're not selling the sets. Is that perfect, or do you want the Mario one? I have the Mario if you want.
I want this one.
Okay.
I want this one. That's my favorite.
The Mario is really cool too.
Take this one.
Or other colors. Do you want blue one? This blue one's really cool. What do you think?
I take the blue one.
Yeah, blue one. Okay.
This blue one.
Here.
Put this one there.
Do you want that blue one or do you want this blue one? You choose. Okay. How about you choose? Which one? They're a bit different. Same blue. This one looks cool. But that one's what's that? Is it a fire truck?
It's fire truck.
Do you want a fire truck?
Yes.
Okay. We'll put this one.
I like the fire truck.
That's good. Good choice. I love it. We are back in the car. Pa-AC kami guys kasi mainit. Hindi talaga natulog ang hindi ko guys. Binigyan ko na ng milk kasi last milk niya, yung pagising pa niya ng umaga. So, ayaw niya talaga matulog. It's only 11:33. Again, meron pa tayong 30 minutes. Ang gagawin natin, tingnan natin. Tapos na siguro si Kuya. Kung tapos na si Kuya, drive tayo sa bahay kasi wala tayong choice. Tapos na si Kuya nga.
I want water, Mommy.
You want water? Okay,
Yes.
water. Of course I do.
Give me water.
Okay. Yeah, tapos na si Kuya. So, uwi tayo bahay guys. May dala akong cheese bread.
Yeah.
Well done? Alright, let's go home because
Only able over here.
leave it over there, okay.
It's my water.
Okay din, nakabili kami ng regalo para sa classmate nga ni Ayla. So that's good. And then bumili na din ako ng socks ni ate. Yung short na socks. For next term. I know, we're going home. Alo, can you help her with her dummy? Nakabili talaga ng toy si Arlo da. Pero $4 lang naman yun. Okay lang yung isip ko. Hindi, buti nga hindi humingi ng telepono. Kasi ready na ako eh. Sabi ko kapag talaga ito pinahirapan ako nitong dalawang to, bigyan ko lang siya ng telepono. But in fairness, hindi siya humingi. Wala sa isip. Wala sa isip niya. So that's good.
I don't want water, Mommy. No.
No? Okay, that's her. Give it to me. Come on.
Yeah.
We'll go home and chill for a bit kasi kailangan na nating umalis.
Can you lay down
You can lay down if you want.
and watch TV?
I don't think you will have enough time, Matt. I think we'll just go home and pee. Hello everyone. Still in the car.
Yeah.
We're heading to Ate Ayla's school now. It's 12:07.
Let's pick Isla first.
Yeah.
And milk tea.
Big Ayla Fest. Back in the car again, guys. This time with Ate Ayla.
Two milk teas, Mommy.
So she got... Ito yung problema kapag merong dala si Ayla kasi naiinggit si Arlo. So merong birthday ata sa kanila. So meron siyang gummy bears. And then binigyan din siya ng lollipop ng teacher kasi ngayon na nga yung last day. And then a stick Tapos si Arlo wala siyang sa kanya.
Two milk tea.
Dito kami sa front parking. So maraming sasakyan. I will need to wait.
Two milk
Meron sasakyan sa likod ko. So, hindi na daw kami pupunta ng Makas. Ayaw na ni Ayla ng Makas. Which is good din. Sa bahay na lang tayo mag-lunch. Late na yung lunch niya. We have to wait, okay guys? Because traffic is bad. And there's a car behind me. Dito kami sa milk tea guys, sa Coco. Nandito na Parang inisa nila. Yeah, but I'm not giving you any money for that. Do you want milk tea or you want that? Okay. Alo, which milk tea do you want? Do you want the orange one?
and orange one.
Okay.
I might even like it.
No pearls?
No bell.
Okay.
I want the
Alright. Bilan ko na lang siguro to ng mango Yakult. Yan ba yung in-order ko noon na gusto ko? Mango ba yun? Mango Yakult and then just brown sugar milk tea. Hello! Hey! Kanina pa to sa car seat do. Yes.
And the pepper one and black pebbles.
Do you want bowls or no bowls?
Yeah.
You want bowls? old standard. It is, exactly 4:30 ng hapon. Kagagaling ko lang sa taas, nagtupi ako, pinag-away ko lahat ng aking tinupi. Now, it's time to cook dinner. So, magluluto ako ng nilaga, guys, kasi meron akong ingredients for nilaga. I'm cooking dinner. Gusto ko lang ilagay na yung pork para malambot na malambot. Birthday na ni Indy bukas, guys. Ang ating Indy na ang mag-birthday bukas. 1 na siya. My gosh, ang bilis na panahon. Hindi pa din nawala sa isip ko yung experience ko sa kanya, yung pagbubuntis ko. Na pinakamahirap na pagbubuntis sa tatlo. Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon, Lord. Oh my gosh. Nakasalang na yung nilaga and meron kaming 1 bag ng green beans. Okay. Yung iba, ilalagay ko sa nilaga. Yung iba, gagawin kong garlic green beans. Marami tayong garlic. Tadang! Parang garlic parmesan ata, siguro. I'm not sure. Hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ko ng parmesan. We'll see. Kasi baka masira. So, bukas baka mag-order lang kami niyan. So, bukas yung birthday talaga ni Indy. Tapos yung sa linggo, yung celebration namin ng birthday niya. So, hindi tayo magluluto sa weekend. Hindi kompleto yung nilaga natin, guys. Walang corn. Kalimutan ko yung corn. Kasi ito yung ginawa ko sa green beans. Nilagyan ko siya ng parmesan cheese. Garlic parmesan green beans yan. Si Dan walang rice. Arlo's rice and sabaw and pork. And ate as well. You wanna try what? The rice? It's the same as yours. Si Indy tapos na, guys. Bilis niya. Okay? Hello guys, it's 8:14.
Can I help, Lala?
And
Mom, can I help?
yeah, sure. Ito yung ginagawa namin. So, yung cupcakes
So,
na...
Mom, these are for the whole cupcakes.
Yep. So, yung cupcakes na ipipick up namin bukas ay ilalagay namin dito para dalhin na lang ng mga tao. Kasi sa mga party nitong mga bata, mga previous parties, guys, hindi nakakain yung cupcake. Tapos, most of the time, pinapadala na lang namin sa kanila. So, this time, alam na namin na ipapadala namin sa kanila. So, meron na akong boxes. Kasi noon, pahirapan yung
Mom, when
kung saan ilalagay.
when I cut really loud, I need to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
So, I got something for Shocky.
Thank you, guys.
I got something for Shocky. Do you want to see?
Yep.
Okay. It was Shocky.
It will shock me.
Yep. The tiny piece out. I got the tiny piece.
Thank you, babe.
I'm getting the tiny.
Yeah, you are getting the tiny pieces.
I
You're
like-
helping me.
I like the tiny piece.
Yeah.
My favorite tiny piece in the well.
Meron na lang akong ilang minuto.
This is the other stick, this is the mini piper, and this is a stick.
That's beautiful. Thank you.
But there's a shock here.
Yeah. So amazing. You are very creative.
Can I help you, Mom? Me too.
Yeah.
I want to do these ones because I'm older. So what do we do? Mom, can I help you do these ones?
Yeah, just fold it.
How do we fold it?
So, kailangan ko siyang gawin dito sa taas kasi si Indy, guys, nandun sa baba.
Mom, how do you fold it?
Pag umakyat na yun si Indy, wala na. Kailangan ko nang
Do we
mag-stop.
take these out?
Yeah, that's your job, okay? Take those out. And these ones, here. Those little ones.
Why do we need to take the line out?
So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. So, makikita mo pa din yung kagandahan ng cupcake. Good job helping me, Alo. I really appreciate it, Alo.
Here you go, Mom.
Thank you, baby.
Arlo, can I help you?
Hello, well done, Kois.
Doing it.
Ang ginagawa ni Arlo, tinatanggal niya yung mga yung mga bilog. Kasi meron siya yung bago. Ayan,
Mom,
meron.
what's the
Ang galing-galing niya. Well done, Kois.
What's the orange?
That's to push the cupcake in. And si Ayla din, tumutulong din si Ayla. Yung tinatanggal niya naman is yung mga ito.
So, Mom, and water.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, I dropped it. Ollie, here you go. Thank you. You don't want
Are you looking for the...
I'm just looking things there because I need some other because we all ran out of these to be honest. Yeah. So we need some more. And this look like a big
So, ganyan
nail.
yung loob niya. So, safe na safe yung cupcake niyo. Pang take away talaga to.
Mom, this looks like a moon!
Yeah, it does.
Like this. Mom, it looks like a moon cut in half like this.
Yeah.
Mom, there's 2 moons. Hello, can I show you with this? Whoa, yay, we have some. Oh no. Wait, oh, what about you do? Oh, this is
Oh my gosh, ang dami nito. Tingnan niyo yung nagawa namin. 2, 4, 6 pa lang.
Oh, look, Mom, look where Sharon's side. Oh, you get this side, because it's already cut. I'm going to make it easier for you. And I get it harder for me.